Hey everyone, it's Matt from the Minecraft Global Mentor Group, and today I just want to do a quick tutorial on how to create a template out of one of your maps. So first thing we're going to do is get into the actual location of the maps that are stored on your computer. And that is by default stored in your C drive, in users, then your name, and then it'll be an app data, which may be a hidden folder. So if you don't see it, make sure that hidden items is checked if you're on Windows here. So we'll open up app data, go to local, scroll down to packages, scroll down to Minecraft Education Edition, not Minecraft UWP, which is your standard Bedrock edition, but we want Education Edition. And then local state, games, com.mojang, and then we're in our basic folder where we're going to find all our worlds. Two folders we're going to look at today, Minecraft Worlds and World Templates. So first thing, Minecraft Worlds, you'll see you'll probably have some folders in here, and these are all the worlds you have created. And you'll see none of these look like anything identifiable. And so you may need to go by dates as far as what world you're looking at. But once you're in the folder, this is all the information about your world. And to make sure you're in the right place, you can check to see if the name of your world is correct. Okay, so in this case, I'm looking at a world called Chem Survival. Or you can actually look at the world icon JPEG, which is the picture that it saves for your icon on the list of worlds. So in this case, this is the last few, I think, as it got saved. Alright, so once we have that, there's one other thing we need for creating a template, and that's called a manifest file. And you can make this up by hand, but I found the easiest way to do it is to see if you have a template already stored in your system. In this case, I'm going to go back to com.mojang and then go into World Templates. I happen to have a template already stored in that folder. And if I open that up, you'll see we have a manifest.json file. But I want to go in and change that a little bit so it matches up with whatever world I'm happening to make into a template. So I'm going to open that up. In this case, I'm going to edit it with Notepad++, which is a program I like to use. But that'll open with a lot of text editors and things like that. So once that opens up, we will see what it looks like. Alright, so here it is. Our JSON file has not a ton of information in it, but it is important for creating the template. So a few things you'll need to change. First thing is the name. You can add a description if you'd like of the world, but most importantly the name. So in this case, if you recall, it was Chem Survival. And then there's two other things. These UUID numbers, these codes, have to be unique for your new template. And you might ask, well, how am I supposed to create a unique code if I don't really know what that is? And I had the same question. I'm like, well, how do I make a UUID that's going to fit and going to work? And so I went into the Minecraft wiki and did a quick search for UUID and manifest, and this page happened to come up, and there's a couple of pages where you can find this information. But the big part was that I found was down here. It says a quick note about UUIDs, and basically it says try this link to go to a generator for UUIDs. So if I open that up, we see, wow, we have a UUID that we can use. So I'm just going to copy that and go back into my JSON file and paste it in. Simple as that. But you'll notice that those two numbers and two codes were different, so I need another one. So I'm going to go back out to the UUID generator. Just hit refresh, gives me a new one. I'll copy that quickly and paste that in over here. Alright, and that's all there is to it. I'm going to actually save this into, I'm going to go up a few folders here. Actually, no, I actually don't want to go in a few folders. I want to be in the world templates. I'm just going to save it here for now, and we'll do something with that in a second. Alright, so oops, back into, let's go back into our world folders. So I want to go back into Minecraft Worlds. Just make a quick copy of that folder that we were looking at earlier. Okay, I'm going to copy and then bring that back over to the templates folder. Okay, I'm going to make that in there, paste it in. Now I want to add this manifest.json that we just created. I'm going to put it right in to there. We can do that. It's not harming anything. You'll see it's in there now. Alright. And you'll see our level name is still the same, things like that. Nothing changed. You may want to use a different picture because you may not like this one. So all you need is a JPEG to place in there. So we can just delete this one and replace it with, I just happen to have one here that we can put in there. Now we have a different picture in there that'll represent our template. Alright, so we can go back into World Templates. We have our JSON in there. So we don't need this one anymore. Let's just get rid of it. So this is now going to work as a template in Minecraft Education Edition. But we may want to create a file that we can pass to other people. Give it to students, give it to other users, maybe put on a flash drive or send via email. So all we need to do is create a template file. In this case, it's really just a compressed file. And we can do that in Windows just by going to Send To, Compressed Folder. We want to rename this. In this case, we'll call it Chem Survival, which we found was the name. And instead of zip, we want to call it MC Template. Now, when we create this name, it's going to yell at us for changing the file extension, but that's okay. And you'll see, now that we've created the MC Template file, we get a nice little Minecraft icon on it. And I'm just going to put that on my desktop for now. It's already there. We can replace it. That's fine, because I had done this earlier. So now if we go into our desktop, let me find that real quick. Chem Survival. I want to open with, in this case, Minecraft Education Edition. If you just click on it, it may go into your Minecraft regular version, which is probably not something you want to do in this case. But for us, we want to open with Minecraft Education Edition. Alright, let me sign in. You can see import started, import successfully done. And let's, get in there and check it out. Okay, so to do a template, we're going to create a new world. You can see we created Chem Survival. We got our nice picture on it that we wanted. And when you click on that, you can just go in and create your world. That's all there is to it, folks. Making a template out of a world you've created yourself. Alright, so anytime a student opens that template file, it's going to start out from this exact same spot with everything in the same place. Okay, with nothing changed. It's like starting a world over from scratch. Hello, sheep. Nice to see you. So anyway, if you have questions, just let me know on Teams, on email, on whatever, Discord. I'm everywhere. All right, hope you got something out of it, and have an awesome day. See ya.